Welcome to Cloud Litera. Today, we will learn kids' favorite foods. Look at the pictures, listen carefully, and repeat the food names with me. Are you ready? Let's start our yummy food adventure.
Pizza. I am cheesy and super yummy. Burger. I am soft, tasty, and filling. French fries. We are crispy and crunchy. Ice cream. I am cold, sweet, and delicious. Donut. I am cold, sweet, and delicious. I am colorful, soft, and sweet. Birthdays. Cake. We enjoy cake on birthdays. Candy is sweet and comes in many colors. Chocolate. I am favorite treat for many kids. Cookies. I am crunchy and tasty. Cupcake. I am sweet and yummy. Noodles. We are long and fun to eat. Popcorn is crunchy. Sandwich. It is healthy snack. Hot dog. It is soft and fun to eat. Nuggets. Chicken nuggets are crispy and yummy. Bread gives us energy. Cheese. It is creamy and delicious. Milkshake. I am creamy and tasty. Waffle. I am crispy and soft.
Kids, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Cloud Litera, like, share and press the bell icon for more fun learning videos.